Mtukufu Rais, Mr. President, Mr. President claim that Justin Muturi was incompetent kwa kazi yake, I think is the funniest takeaway from hiyo interview yake yenye alifanyishwa huko side za Sagana. I think ni state launch ya Sagana right before anze hii kuguza yake mlima yenye anaguza mlima as we speak. I'm like, how unawezaje claim Muturi ni mse incompetent alafu na go ahead kwa point his junior mse wa kutoka I think village moja na yeye a first time MP as now the news. Yes, the guy has never been, I have no personal problem with this guy, but he has never been tried on public relations ikikuja to that capacity, because Muturi has been a speaker for more than 10 years. He has served as Attorney General. He has done so much publicly known. Maybe not so good. I don't know. I don't want to charge him, but I just want to compare them between Muturi and the new guy. Anaitwa Geoffrey Ruku. Geoffrey Ruku now he's stepping in for Muturi, and apparently he's stepping into the cabinet yenye mwenye alikuwa hapo alikuwa incompetent. So I was thinking like, okay, Muturi when Ruto claims that, I'm like, nah, there is more to this. Hakuna mambo incompetence. So yeah, good thing. Fast forward, Justin Muturi alitokea kaongea na press, akasema ukweli ni mimi rais amenifukuza kwa cabinet, because nilikuwa namuuliza the questions that most people hawamuulizi. Nilikuwa na raise the issues, the real issues, kama abduction, of which yeye mwenyewe alisema mtoto wake aliabductiwa at sometimes back, ikambidi aende State House. Nchi yetu ina mambo, ikabidi mwenyewe aende State House aambie Ruto mtoto wangu ameshikwa. Ikabidi Mr. Ruto apige simu aseme achilia mtoto wao jamaa. That is kidogo hata ni kasi. That's a CS who has access to the State House. Ana mtoto wake anabductiwa. Sasa what about everyone else? Watu wako voiceless, watu wa kawaida kama sisi. Yeah? So between Ruto claiming Muturi ako incompetent and Muturi claiming alikuwa na harass Ruto, alikuwa anampeleka mbio, alikuwa anamwambia zile vitu wenye wase wamemsurround hawamwambii kama hizo stop abductions. Who do you believe? Yeah? But for me, unapologetically mean to believe Justin Muturi. Yeah? Because Ruto Mr. Ruto cannot say that amevuta nika uvute headmaster wa shule fulani useme I perform, alafu nachukua head boy, ama head boy nimeenda sana, unachukua tu class prefect fulani wa class 8 unamfanya headmaster wa hiyo shule. I feel like it's the same thing, because Muturi capacity yenye ameserve, again without saying his holy or anything ama kumtetea, ameserve a higher capacity countrywide for long publicly compared na Geoffrey Ruku. I didn't even know Geoffrey Ruku at all before I was appointed as the new CS for public whatever. I didn't know the guy. Yeah, I'm not saying he will not do a good job. I don't know him. I have nothing personal about with him or whatever. But the analogy I connect. Where's it more Muturi useme now it must be alikuwa anasumbua Ruto kichwa. Na Ruto apparently is not the president that you can challenge. If you challenge him, utatoka. So during that time when Muturi was making the press wherever conference, back in the time when mtoto wake alikuwa apparently abducted, one of the diehards were Ruto from Kisii County ni Osoro came out and said they will push out Justin Muturi, they will force him to resign. If he doesn't resign, they will fire him. Hiyo ni kitamba hata before history yote itokee. So at least hiyo ndio kitu wamedeliver. You know, hii government ya Ruto ni kama ina deliver tu kwa threats peke yake. Wakitishia mtu watamfire ama watamuimpeach, that one is for sure they will deliver. Hiyo sana tuko sure. Kesho nikisikia wanataka kuimpeach Kindiki, I will no doubt that. I will be sure this one will happen. But nikisikia wanataka kufagia Nairobi City, I will not believe it. I don't know. Hata ni the most basic example you can. Hata alienda akalaunch hiyo story yake ya sewage. Even this, and I cannot give them any achievement apart from kuimpeach watu. That is the only thing they are delivering perfectly and timely. Right, so let's see vile mlima inaendelea trip zake. So far watu wengi wamesema wanajengwa kwa kitu watokee, na wale wenye ile place yenye hawajapeana pesa vizuri, there is so much noise, people making noise, heckling kama hizo side za Nyandarua, na bado hawajaingia mlima vizuri. Yeah, let's see what's coming out of this trip.